In our previous video, we showed you the best way to defrost your windshield. In this video, we're going to show you the best way to keep it from fogging up in the first place. I went to O'Reilly's and I purchased the only anti-fog compound they had, and we're going to compare that against several different home remedies as well. So we have Rain-X anti-fog compound, Whip It cleaner, toothpaste, and shaving cream. We're going to figure out which one works the best. First, we need to clean the window. Check out this video to see how you can crystal clean your window. To begin our test, we will section off this window with painter's tape. The first square on the bottom will be our control. Next, we will have Rain-X, then Whip It, toothpaste, and then shaving cream in the last corner. Now we will apply each compound and steam up the window to see which product works best. It looks like all of our products have worked pretty well. Now let's take them to the torture test. First, we're going to hit it with some high pressure water using this water pick. Next, we're going to rub some mud into it. Now let's apply some water. Well, the Whip It came clean. Let's see if we can make the others as well. You too, Rain-X. Now let's wipe off the rest of the debris and test them again with the steam. Shaving cream is no longer resisting fog. Toothpaste is fogged up. The Whip It has fogged up. The Rain-X is still holding. Well, it looks like we have a winner. The Rain-X held up best in our torture test. Now let's be honest, you're probably not gonna rub mud on the inside of your windshield. So any of these products would probably work just fine for you. But the Rain-X is the one that held up the best. If you'd like to protect the outside of your windshield, check out this video for the best rain repellent. Thanks for watching Dude, We Can Fix It. Be sure to smash that like button on the way out and subscribe for more videos. And as always, Dude, We Can Fix It.